Adding a table of contents in Confluence helps organize your content and improves navigation for readers. Here's how to do it. Edit your page. Open the Confluence page where you want to add the table of contents. Click the Edit button to enter editing mode. Insert a table of contents macro. In the editor, type / to open the macro menu. Search for table of contents or simply type table of contents. Select the table of contents macro from the drop-down. Configure the macro. After inserting the macro, you can configure it. Click on the inserted macro to display its settings. You can specify which heading levels to include and choose whether to show a list of headings or a hierarchical view. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Save or Publish to apply the changes to your page. View the table of contents. The table of contents will automatically generate based on the headings used in your page. If you add or remove headings later, simply refresh the page to update the TOC.